up, people? We're back at it. We're in San Francisco, California, Noah Valley. We're doing purple slate. It's a nice little treat. It's a beautiful tile. Purpose of the video is this is dirty. The lady, like all you ladies, she scrubbed a toothbrush on her hands and knees, every cleaner. You know, I think she told me she had 50 different cleaners. You know, none of it works. Why doesn't it work? Well, what happens is over time when you're living in your life and you're living, the dirt starts to slowly, work its way into the sealer. In the fast-paced life we're all living nowadays, you put, even if you're hiring a house cleaner or whatever and you're paying them to be there a certain amount of time, the floors just get neglected and slowly the dirt becomes in the sealer to the point where even you crafty ladies who are really, really extra grade cleaners can't get it clean, which, I find, most of you women are all cleaners. You guys invented this stuff. So, purpose of the video isn't necessarily there's nothing wrong with the floor, there's no damage, there's not a cracked tile, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just dirty. And it isn't dirty in the sense that you can just get some soap and water and clean it, because she already tried that. And that's the purpose of the video. Ladies, I know you're cleaning it. By the time you see these videos and you're looking at this type of video, you're past you cleaning it. It's to a point where we gotta strip it. We gotta take all the coating off of it. And so once you do that, then we come back and we clean it. And the cleaning, it'll even take another step further. I'm actually gonna hit it twice. Look like there's a little residue on there. Maybe this is like a mop and glow or something. I can't quite tell. It's kind of sticky. But normally mop and glow turns yellow. So, ladies, purpose of the video. I know you're cleaning. You've tried everything. There's no carpet company. There's no, once it gets to a point where you can't clean it, it has to be stripped. All the carpet companies do is come out, run a machine on it with a little soap and water and slap some shiny stuff and tell you it's done. No, it's not done. You gotta strip it, all right? So anyway, though, we're doing purple slate, Noe Valley, San Francisco. It's gonna look insane. Once all the chemical dries out here, the grout will be nice and light, like that natural gray like it's supposed to. We're gonna use a low luster, which you'll see a little bit later in the video. If you keep on watching, and while you're watching, you should subscribe, you should like us, you should love us. If you have any type of tile and stone in your home at all, we specialize in terracotta, slate, coating removal, but as far as overall, we have tons of good information about all tile, just grout, sealers, what to use, what not to use, where to use them, how to use them, all that good stuff. So, keep on cleaning, ladies. Keep on cleaning. Here you go, that's the final shot. We used a low luster. We put on like 6 really good coats. This is slate, not terracotta, so it doesn't take as much as the terracotta. You can see it looks freaking phenomenal. You can see how purple it is. It's full purple slate actually. So there it is. That's the end result there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.